Therapy can be a significant investment, but affordable options are available. You may be eligible for low-cost counseling through a supervised student clinician at BWS Foundation. Services are provided by graduate-level student clinicians under the supervision of a registered mental health professional. How to get started? Visit bwsfoundation.ca/request-for-services. Complete the service request form. If you need help filling out the form, email us at info@bwsfoundation.ca. A student clinician will follow up with you for a pre-screening phone call to discuss your needs and determine eligibility for the program. If eligible, and in consultation with their clinical supervisor, the student clinician may arrange an 80-minute intake session. Following your intake, your student clinician will review your file with their supervisor and discuss possible next steps, which may include short-term, goal-focused therapy. This program is for individuals who self-identify as part of one or more of the following communities: 2S LGBTQIA+, Indigenous, and people of color.